Hello, you beautiful people. Big Rob is back in her kitchen. I have not seen you guys in quite some time. I have been going through things, but by the grace of God, things are getting better. Before I can continue, I would like for you guys to go ahead and to subscribe. I'd like for you guys to go ahead and turn on those notification bells, comment down below, so you'll have a chance of getting shouted out. I'd like for you to like this video, fat thumbs up, and comment, and share. So today, I am making something simple. It is going to be chicken cutlet, but I'm going to put a twist on it. The way I'm going to be doing it is not going to be done with noodles. I'm going to put my chicken cutlet today on rolls. Okay? Buns, rolls, same thing. Whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I do have my heat on a medium high. My chicken has been cleaned. It is a breast, cut centered chicken breast. Okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and start out with the first piece. You're going to hear a sizzle. You hear that? Just like that. That's what you want to hear. Okay? Let y'all see what I'm working with. Okay? So that's the first piece. There are 3 pieces that I'm cooking. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get all 3 pieces up in here. Because I ain't got time today up in this kitchen. I just left physical therapy. Okay? So if y'all can understand that, that would be kindful. So what I'll be using today is for seasonings. Okay? I am going to be using black pepper, along with my Lorry's, along with onion powder. I'm going to put a kick to it with red pepper and basil leaves. And I'm going to also be using my Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to be using my mixed Kraft cheese as well towards the end. So it's bubbling. So yeah, let's start with the seasonings. You guys all know that I work in a small kitchen, so bear with me. So I'm going to start with one side. Okay. Bam. That's how that go. Be careful. Don't be heavy-handed with your seasonings. Because, you know, you can over-season food. Lorry's, bam, bam. Just like that. That's all you need. I'm going in with the onion powder now. Okay. So how y'all been? We had a lot of rain. This onion powder don't want to come out. Is it dense? Don't tell me it's dense. Not really. So I just sprinkle it like that. Bam, bam. That's how that go. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put a little heat to it with this red pepper flake. Just a little, like that. Just like that. You don't even have to put it on the other side. Okay, and being that it is an Italian meal, we're going to go in with some basil. Okay, leaves. Just like that. Okay, so, one more thing. My, sazon. Just a little bit. This stuff is salty. Just like that. Okay? So that's how that goes. Okay, guys. So now, as you can see, my chicken is done. I'm going to turn it off. It's not greasy at all. This is a non-stick pan. I did not put a lot of olive oil. So this is how my chicken came out. Perfectly done. I'm going to put it in its Pyrex. As you can see. Okay. 3 nice pieces. 3 nice pieces. Okay. So this is going to be my next step, guys. I'm going to go in with, let's see. I'm going to go in with some ragu. Okay, that's how that goes. And then I have me some Kobe Jack and American cheese mixed together. That's going to be on top of this. Okay. Then I'm going in with my Parmesan. You want it nice and cheesy to your tasting. Last but not least, breadcrumbs. Okay, now I'm going to put it inside the oven from anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. I will be back with the finishing touch. Okay guys, here we are with the finishing touch. Parmesan. Chicken Parmesan. I'm going to close it up now. Break that off. Close it up. You could put more sauce on it if you like. But some people, you know, they have that in reflex. And they can't eat too much of sauce when they get older. So, to your liking. So this is what it looks like. On chicken Parmesan. Look guys, sticking to my fingers, the cheese. Okay. So, that's how that go. Now, don't forget you can find me on FB, Robin Drew Eating with Big Rob. FB, I'm sorry, IG, Robin Drew 61. You can also go on over there to my TikTok. I'm doing my thing on TikTok. I would like to thank each and everyone that has taken the time out to watch this video today. Stay safe. Know that I love you and God loves you too. Peace.